Sure. So now we know that कि भाई f of x into g of x actually goes like first as it is differentiation of second plus second as it is differentiation of first. Do you think so?
Of 1 plus.
Yes or no? But here f of x and g of x have their own definition. So when it is f of x as it is differentiation of g of x, so we will see to it like e to the power sine of log cos x as it is. Differentiation of g of x is 1 upon cos x into minus sine x. Yes or no? Hmm. Plus g of x as it is log of cos x as it is.
PT1 examination.
Okay.
Let us see.
Differentiation of f of x. Now f of x का differentiation is थोड़ा सा heavy. E to the power sine of log cos x, okay, into sine of log cos x is cos of log cos x, right, into 1 by like differentiation of log cos x can be written as g dash. ओए कौन सा log and log कैंसिल हो रहा है बता. Differentiation of g of x is 1 upon f of x. Now f of x का रुक जाओ तुम लोग थोड़ा भटके हुए हो. क्या हो गया तुमको guys? What I am reading is, one second, you are considering e to the power sine of log cos to be written as e to the power log of cos to the power sine, and log and e will get cancelled. Do you mean that, sir? Please don't. No problem, no problem, relax, chalo, ठीक है. So now what I have done, I'll again disclose. Okay, I'll rather write this as g dash only. Okay, given to be differentiated, we applied the product rule, we got this expansion. Yes or no? Now we are trying to put the value. We substituted f of x as it is. G of d dash x, let it be. G of x as it is. F dash x is all this and again. Now understand this, beta. When we are writing, understand. Can I take this common with g dash x? Good. So I have f of x and g dash x as common. This is f of x, right? Inside we have 1 plus cosine of log x into log of cosine x. Yes or no? Okay. Now understand this. Log of cos x, beta, this. cosine of log x here, log cos x cos. अच्छा रुक जाओ, I'll write it neatly better for you. Okay, f of x common, g dash x common, 1 plus log cos x into cos of log cos x. Is it okay? Right? Now please see the confusing term here. All these are okay, but this is not a theory question that we can leave somewhere. It is an MCQ type, so we have to we have to pull down ourselves to the level of options. If you look at the options, they are, is it a Pathfinder question, my dear friends, so that we can tell everyone the page number and they can see the question. Cosine of g of x. So can you see cosine of g of x is visible? Yeah. Okay. Next, f of into cosine of g of x, and then comes g of x, and then comes f of x into it is f of x into sine of g of x, f of x into, sorry, g of x into sine of g of x. These are the four options. Now which one looks like what you have solved? Which one looks like what we have solved? Alpha one. Only because of cosine of g of x. Eh? Hmm. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. बोलो बोलो, अनम्यूट करो, यू कैन स्पीक अप, डोंट वरी. कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है. Sir, how that log cos x g of x as it is? Which one? Huh? Arey yaar, there is a simple. Nothing is remaining now. Cos x into log x. Where is cos x into log x? Hmm? Yeah, it's okay. Now, okay. So now the answer is f of x into g of x 1 plus g of x into cosine of g of x. You know? Whoever has given this, what is the source of this question? Because the options which are coming now, I feel they are asking f of x with respect to g of x का differentiation. Pathfinder, same 45 question, same chapter. Okay, can you check? Have they given any solution instead of investing the time? Even I am feeling the question is wrong because I think it should be what will be the derivative of f of x with respect to g of x, but it's okay. Right, so let's not invest time here. It's the wrong question. Next,
The one
jaldi bolo. This question was wrong. Then what? What? Yeah, proceed. Ah, exactly. So f dash x by g dash x. Okay, good. मम्मी चाय चाय कॉफी बना दो थोड़ी दूध कम डालना सुनो दूध नहीं डालना होता है कॉफी में पानी ज्यादा डाल आप अपने लिए बना लो मेरे में पानी ज्यादा दूध कम शक्कर भी कम गॉट इट अच्छा okay so in the solution they are giving f dash by g dash x otherwise in the question they have asked it so it's okay chalo let it be next Achha, in the solution they are finding f dash by g dash x. It's okay, understood. You want us to find g dash x, f dash x by g dash x? I don't think so that is required. Proceed right. Okay, thank you. No problem, no problem. Always welcome, beta. Sure. Hmm. Hmm. Just give me a minute. right? So we were doing, we as human, okay, we're doing, okay, definite integration, okay. Beta, consider like 2 to 3 errors every year happens. Okay, every year. It is never a case that no error happened. 2 to 3 errors every year. Okay. They award grace marks. What they do is they, मयूर देखो वो क्या करते हैं, वो क्वेश्चन ही एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं, चाहे लिखा हो चाहे नहीं लिखा हो, खत्म करो साले। ओके, रेडी, चलो। Now we are talking about a very important aspect, बेटा, बिल्कुल important chapter है, listen to it with all the care you have. Guaranteed delivery of scores, okay. So guaranteed delivery of scores, like बिल्कुल बिल्कुल no cheating and all, guaranteed delivery of scores, okay. If integration 0 to a x square minus 1 by 1 minus x dx is 1 by 2, then what is the value of a? कितना क्वेश्चन है, इससे सुंदर क्वेश्चन तुमको मिलेगा कभी, बताओ, इससे सुंदर क्वेश्चन मिल ही नहीं सकता। सॉल्व इट क्विकली। अभी निकल जाओ खाना ना खा के। use this, dx equal to 1 by 2. X square by 2, that is a square by 2, plus a equal to 1 by 2. With a negative sign, so I can send this negative here, no beta. What is the problem? Right? Then I'll take the LCM. A square plus 2a minus 1 come this way, plus 1 is equals to 0, and that's a happy thing for me, right? Yep, good. Easy. So, but the definite integral is promisingly going to be easy for you. Don't be worried on that line, okay? Sure. Solve this question. Integration 0 to 10 x to the power 10 upon x to the power 10 plus 10 minus x to the power 10 dx. Quickly, what is the answer? 0 to 10. Acha, okay, I will go back to that question also. This one, quickly the answer for this one. 10 seconds answer for this one. 5 beta, not 10. 5. Right? Okay. Chai. Okay. Now previous one. What you are saying? Say. It is from 0 to minus 1. So, yes, Ganesh. See, I'll tell you that next chapter is on that. Ganesh, see. Say for example, understand this. Have you ever seen, like, at your home, by mistake or in hostel, if cards are like, I have spread the cards like this, right? You can collect the cards from here to here, or you can also collect the cards from here to here, right or not? Finally, clear? What is the mathematical application of it? So integration, definite integration tells you about area. When you calculate the area under a curve, you can count from here to here or from here to here. You don't have any limitation. Clear? Now back. Someone asked something in how to find, we have to use this formula. Very good. Dharni beta. See, if you remember, first four formulae are basic. Yes or no? Then comes four set of values you have seen. 0 to A type value, minus A to A type value, 0 to 2A type value. Right or not? Yes or no? है ना? So beta see, just by looking at it, you know whether you have to go by this formula or these two. Surely at times there is a confusion, right or not? Now understand, this formula of f of a minus x, right or not, can be easily used in periodic functions. Okay, periodic functions in the sense those which will change the sign. Yeah, those will repeat their behavior. Okay, especially trigonometric functions and other types of clear periodic functions. Clear. So this is the mainly these three are the bandwidths. Okay, so you will hardly be confused which one to use. Okay. Chocolate question. 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x cos x dx. 10 seconds, not more than that. 10 seconds. 0. That's it. Good. 0. Very good. Got it, guys? Got it, 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 got it. Everyone? Right, definite integral is something you have to do in the paper. Okay, you should like find what is given in the definite integral the question. Clear? Last question of definite integral from my end, 3x square minus 1 dx. Quickly. Mod. It is mod. Who was there? Who answered it in 5 seconds? Dharni, I guess, right? Dharni or someone else? 5 by 2 beta, 5 by 2 is not there in the options. Which 5 by 6 is there in the options. I don't know whether like 2 is also not there in the options. 0 is there in the options. So because in differential equation options don't help you a lot. Okay, so it's like 4 by 3 root 3, 3 by 7 and 5 by 6. So good. So see, So from 0 to minus 1, sorry, from minus 1 by root 3 to 0, okay. So सॉरी, मैं क्या हो गया, मुझे क्या हो गया भाई, मैं तो ठीक ठाक था. सॉरी, फ्रॉम 0 to 1 by root 3 and then 1 by root 3 to 1. Clear? From 0 to 1 by root 3, from 0 to 1 by root 3, from 0 to 1 by root 3, the nature will be minus of 3x square minus 1 dx. Yes or no? From 1 by root 3 to 1, it is plus 3x square minus 1 dx. Clear? When you will integrate, you will get negative outside. X to the power 3 by 3, 3 and 3 got cancelled, so x cube minus x. Okay, 1 by root 3 and 0. When you put 1 by root 3, you get minus sign of 1 by 3 root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Got it? So then you will add and see here. The integration here is also x cube minus x. 1 and 1 by root 3. 1 is coming as 1 minus 1, 0. Minus, okay, of same x cube is 1 by 3 root 3. So minus 1 by root 3. When you add these two, क्यों नहीं लगता तुम लोगों को कि कुछ अच्छा आ जाएगा निकल के? Huh? Why don't you guys feel कि there will be something productive outcome? Why are you feeling like it is negative? Huh? So negative sign common, 2 times common, 1 by 3 root 3 minus 1 by root 3. LCM is 3 root 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This minus and this gone. 4 by 3 root 3 is the answer. Got it? Got it. So guys, please don't be careless. Okay. So it might, see, this is a sure shot question. It's okay if you are investing 50 seconds, 55 seconds on it. Okay. Or more also. It's like not a problem. Ten seconds. Shabash. Why? Because it is an odd function, right or not? Yes, good, very good. Chalo. Now see what happens. The actual application of integration came while calculating rough areas. Okay. See. Simple scenario. This is a curve. If I look at microscopic level, this might appear as a collection of small line segments, right or not? If I'll further go to microscopic view, it will appear like, okay, small line segments. Clear? So actually everything is there. The smaller we make the width, we receive a better rectangle, yes or no? From a curve, the smaller part we broke, we get a better like rectangle at least, right? So that is what is the whole idea. That is what is the whole completely beneficial idea. Okay. So we use integration in order to calculate area. Clear? Previous question, sir, please explain why that was an odd. Acha, okay, Dhanni. If you remember beta functions, relation and function, na, you will surely get that question. No problem. Chalo. F of x is given as log of what was it given x? Can you please remind me? X plus square root. Okay. So, beta, this is f of x. Now, what is f of minus x? Yes or no? What if I rationalize it with square root of, like with the same? Will I get a square minus b square? Yes or no? But in order to rationalize, I'll have to also send the same thing in the denominator. Numerator, if you can see, bete, it is nothing but 1. Yes or no? The same thing can be easily written as the same thing can be easily written as x plus square root 1 plus x squared to the power minus 1, which makes it minus of log. Yes or no? So f of minus x is minus of f of x. Clear? Is an odd function. Got it? Very good. Nice question. No problem. Okay. Sure. Chalo. Now you know that if I draw a line beta, if I draw a straight line and you want to calculate the area, what is the formula? Length into width. Yes or no? Very good. Beta, when we draw a function from this value to this value, can I write this is x2 and this is x1? Clear? This is showing the change in variable and this is showing the change in outcome. Yes or no? Clear? Good. So if I want to calculate its area, okay, if you do that, then this is the value of y and each dabba is a chotu x. Okay, collect all y's into chotu x, you will get the complete area. Clear or not? Clear or not? So in the terms of integration, we write area is equal to integration of y dx. Clear? Like, understand this, right? Let me prove it to you. Okay. Hello, Jain. Yes. ओके अचीव बोलो, मैं क्लास में हूँ बेटा. हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम, बोल बोल. यस 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 नो प्रॉब्लम बच्चे. You have a chance left. Okay, right now I am in a class, Ajeev. Can you give me a call at 1:30? Sure, sure. Oh, thank you. Yes, guys. Simple question. Huh? What is this equation of? Circle, everyone. Everyone is circle, right? Yeah. What is the radius? By formula, what is the area of 1/4? Pi. Yes or no? Total area is 4 pi, but area of 1/4 is pi, right or not? Now suppose you never were aware about pi r square. So now my question to you is, you are sitting with Aryabhatta. Newton is coming. You both are waiting for Newton to come, okay, so that he will apply his calculus and give you the formula of what is the area of a circle. But Aryabhatta used to live way before you of Aryabhatta. Oh, sorry, ulta. हाँ सही, correct only ना. Newton is just a बच्चा of Aryabhatta, right? So Uncle Aryabhatta is there. Okay. He asked you, draw a circle of radius 2. Clear? The equation of this circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. Yes or no? Now find its radius. You guys are trying to find the formula. Suppose. So what will you do? You will say, sir, this is symmetric to all the axes. We will calculate any one quadrant and multiply it by 4. Any doubt? Now, understand this. He said, okay, sir, let's calculate the area. Sir, as we zoom in, we see this. Can you see that? Huh? We see that x is varying from 0 to 2. Can you say that? So, sir, let's integrate from 0 to 2 all the values of x. Clear? But the vertical is y. Yes or no? Sir, but luckily by our knowledge of mathematics, we can write y as yes or no? Right. Okay. And you guys know what is the, oh sir, we know what is the integration of this special format. What is it? Please tell me. Whatever. Not just sine inverse. There will be few more things, yeah. Big. Yeah, good. That's good, Nirmal. That's pretty good, right? Big, big, big. It is something big. Hmm? A by root 4 minus x square. Okay, sin inverse x भी तो आएगा, है ना? चलो, anyway, I know you know and all that. Right? So I'll write it. Don't worry. ठीक है? So it is x by 2 square root 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Yes or no? Instead of a, it should be 2. Yes or no? Integrating from 0 to 2. Just put x equal to 2. What will you get? X equal to 2. This is 0. Yeah. Okay. A square is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. X equal to sin inverse 1. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Pi by 2 into 2 is pi. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now you put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, this part is anyway 0 and this part is also 0. So the total answer coming out is pi. Yes or no? 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 Got it? So the area of this quadrant is pi. There are 4 such. So 4 pi. Got it? Now simple question and tell me the answer. Huh? I know you can give me the answer other way as well. But if I am asking you, beta, there is a line which is 2x plus 3y equal to, so 2x plus 3y equal to 6. What is the area covered by the line with the axis? So you will be like, पहला काम चित्र बनाओ, draw the rough sketch. So you will be like x equal to 0, y equal to 2, y equal to 0, x equal to 3. So this might look like this. Yes or no? Sure. Good. I was good, good, good. This is the area. So for clarifying your fundas, what will you do? You will be like integration from 0 to, what is this point, 3? Right? From 0 to 3. Integration of y dx. What is y? Y is 6 minus 2x by 3. Yes or no? Sure. बस हो गया. 1 by 3 as it is. Integration of something inside is 6x minus 2x square by 2 is just x square. 0 to 3. 1 by 3 as it is. 18 minus 9 is 9 minus 0 minus 0. Cancel okay, 3. Now you might be thinking, sir, why to put those many efforts? Right? हेलो, घर पे ही हूँ, बताइए. सब बढ़िया. वो उसमें इक्वेशंस ठीक से नहीं आ रही, वो करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
பிளேயரு 3 நாளா ஸ்டேட் பிளேயர் லிஸ்ட் வச்சு உட்கார்ந்திருக்கேன். பிளேயர்லாம் கிடையாது, ஏதோ லக்ல அடிச்சிருக்கான்.
ஸ்டேட் லிஸ்ட்ல தேடினா எப்படி கிடப்பான்?